Welcome back. Recipe for today: some cigaree coffee chicken. It's a recipe eatable, tastable, delicious meat. Please like and share. Remember Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Please subscribe. 7 time rise, 7 time fall. When I believe in the falling thing, big up a sexy body girl and big up a true warrior. Big up Father God first and everything. Please like and share. It's a recipe nice, eatable, tastable, delicious. Remember coffee, cigaree, chicken. It's a recipe tastable, eatable, finger licking. I tell peeps mouth they run water, me I tell them peeps. It's a recipe tastable, eatable, delicious. So I show all of the spice them and thing I use night peeps. Some don't show them put the coffee, but don't worry. The coffee they right here, and I will see coffee in the full video. So you know the full video is coming soon. So please like and share. Peeps, if I comment a recipe a nice eatable, see presentation of the pot there. That cook will go down, so you know it want to have 5 more minutes. Please like and share.